everyone, welcome back to my channel. So people who are watching me for the first time, my name is Veda. I make videos on random topics which I'm capable of presenting well in front of y'all. So I have been MIA for quite a long time, and if you're still watching this video, if you're still watching me, that really means a lot, and thank you so very much. So today's video is all about Amazon's mini haul. I have bought few products from Amazon like a couple of weeks ago, and I really wanted to do this video for one particular product. And so without any further delay, let's get into the video. I forgot how to say it. Not forgot, but yeah, okay. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So the first product is this cute little mini tripod of Manfrotto. This tripod is super portable, like you can just use it wherever you want. I really wanted to make this video for people who create content on digital platforms because this is super useful. I know it. I really wanted a good mini tripod for vlogging, not just for vlogging, like just to make videos in random. So this tripod has 3 legs which is expandable, and also there is a push button over here. This red one. This is a push button. Whenever you push this button, this helps in mechanism of the ball head over here on the top. So this helps in the movement of this ball. I don't think you can see it properly because there is no clamp over here. Now I'll just show it. So this is the clamp. This is also from Manfrotto. And when you just fix it over here, your tripod is ready. So when you push this button, you can see the ball move. Like this will help in the movement of the ball, wherein you can adjust as per your needs. This clamp is stretchable, obviously. And you can also get this set, like both tripod and clamp, but I didn't find it on Amazon. I think I have seen it on Flipkart, but I really wanted to get all the products from one website itself. So I just bought it from Amazon separately. The clamp is separate and the tripod is separate, but they are from the same brand. Trust me, if you are looking for a good tripod that is light in weight and portable and etc. So you must definitely go for this. You can also use it for DSLR cameras, but make sure the DSLR cameras are lightweight. They shouldn't be too heavy. So that is that. The first one is this mini tripod. So the next product is this Minisoka makeup brush set. This consists of 7 pieces, the makeup pouch, and these 6 makeup brushes. The first one is a powder brush, then these 2 are the eyeshadow brushes, and this is a lip brush, and this is the eyeshadow sponge brush, and then this is the eyebrow brush. And you can also see that there is a description behind the box, like what this box consists of, and also like how you should be cleaning these brushes. Like the bristles are super soft. Really, the brushes are super soft, so you should be a bit careful when while cleaning. So it's super duper soft, and all the prices will be given in the description box and also on the screen. So this is the makeup pouch. You can just place all your brushes over here and you are good to go. This is super travel friendly, and you can just keep all your brushes organized intact. Also, I love the color. This is super cute color. This teal color kind of gives me vintage vibes. I bought this one especially for the color. So yeah. And the next product is this Minisoka nail polish. This is in the number 41, Light Orchid. This color is super light. This is like lavender color with glitter on it. I don't think you can see it on my nails properly. The camera isn't capturing the color precisely, but it is really a beautiful subtle pastel color. So yeah, Next is this beauty blender. This is again Minisoka beauty blender. This is super duper soft. You can really, this is I'm stammering a lot in this video, excuse me for that. So this is super duper soft, and I again bought this especially for the case. Usually I just keep my beauty blender out there naked, like all the dust particles and also the eyeshadow particles and everything, the residues keeps on settling on the beauty blender and it is kind of a bit messy. So that is the reason I bought this particularly for the case, and it's a good product, but I feel it is a little delicate because it already has cracks, if you can see. See, the material is soft, but the quality wise it is a bit low, I feel, because it is already like falling apart. But it's a good product. I just bought this for the case because it is good to have a case for the beauty blenders so that it will be intact, clean. And then the next product is this Zaveri Pearls ka earrings, studs. Honestly speaking, on Nykaa I have seen these two products, the Zaveri Pearls ka earrings and also this chain, which I will be showing next. But then the price on Nykaa is a bit more than on Amazon. The same product from the same brand, so obviously we have to go from the place we have it for a low price or a less price. So these are the studs. These are super cute, like it has white stones, it is in gold, and it also has pearls. Honestly I thought it would be a little more bigger. This is a bit too small from the images they have displayed, but it's okay, it's cute. And the next product is from Jewels Galaxy. That is this chain. Nowadays these kind of chains are in super trend, but this one's a more of thin one, light one. I like the chain. I thought the color would be more like goldish, but it is like a bit lighter. It's not gold kind of color, but it's a good product. It's really nice. So because I'm wearing a turtleneck, I have decided to wear it like a bracelet, and it does look good. Like you can use it like a multi-purpose one. So that's all for the video. These are the 7 products I thought of making a video. I have done this video especially for the tripod because that is super good and super useful for every content creator out there. So that's all the video. I hope you like this video. If you do like this video, please do like, comment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. See you in the next video.